Good morning, students. Today, I want to revise all the chapters what have been read by me till now. I taught you 6 chapters since starting, like sentence, phrase, noun, pronoun, adjectives, and determiners. I don't want to give you more burden. That's why I want to revise, a quick revise all the chapters again. First of all, we look sentence. I had told you what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. For example, Ram is a good boy. She is going to school. I am coming from Patna. I also told you kinds of sentence. Mean assertive sentence, also known as declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence, and so on. I also taught you phrase. Phrase Phrase is also a group of words which make a sense but not a complete sense. Like on the wall, under the tree, over the bridge, on the wall, under the tree, over the bridge, all have sense but not a complete sense. I mean, under the tree, पेड़ के नीचे, but what is? This is not clear. That's why phrase is a part of a sentence, not a complete sentence. I also taught you subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Like Ram eats a mango. Here, as you know, Ram is a subject and rest part of the sentence is predicate. I take another example. Open the door. Open the door, shut the door, bring a glass of water, stand up, sit down. In this type of sentence, subject is always you. Remember one thing. In this type of sentence, subject is always you. Now, second chapter, I taught you noun. In this chapter, I told you what is noun, how many kinds of noun. As you know, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things, and ideas. In kinds of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. I also defined all kinds of noun one by one with example. I think you will have remembered all that and also write it on your fair copy. I also taught you how can you make abstract noun from verb, adjective, and common noun. In next chapter, I taught you pronoun. And during this chapter, I taught you what is pronoun, how many kinds of pronoun. As you know, pronoun is the word which is used for a noun, or pronoun is the word which is used instead of noun, or pronoun is the word which used place of noun, like you, me, we, I, you, he, she, it, etc. Also taught you kind of pronoun, like indefinite pronoun, personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, with details. And in this chapter, I told you about adjective. What is adjective? As I told you, adjective is the word which describe noun or pronoun, or adjective is the word which tells something about noun or pronoun. As you will have known since class 2 or 3, adjective is a describing word, like good, bad, long, short, deep, I mean quality. And kinds of adjective: demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, indefinite adjective, adjective of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective. All kinds of adjective I have taught you earlier. And to next, I also taught you formation of adjective from given word, like children, child, children, sorry, gold, golden. I also taught you comparison of adjective, I mean degree of comparison and its types. There are 3 types of degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. All are taught by me one by one. And at last, I taught you determiners. Just last two class, I taught you determiners. I hope all of you will study all these chapters properly, and that's why you will be able to understand all the chapter. There is no shortcut. You have to do hard work to understand what I have read till now. Thank you.